Sweeper September 2023 test event, downloading and installing the form. First, we'll go to the website mierct.gorse.ca. Again, Mike India Echo Romeo Charlie Tango Golf Oscar Romeo Sierra Echo.ca. When you get to the website, go down the left side until you see Sweeper 2023. Scroll down and you'll see Download Sweeper Test Event Files. Click on there. Mine shows up in the bottom left. Yours may show up somewhere else depending on your browser, but it'll be in your downloads directory or the one you set up for downloads. Click the up arrow button and I can open the file. It'll come up and say it's protecting it because it doesn't know where it's from. Click on the more info, and again, your browser may be different. So we know that it is there. The files are required, and it's an exe file. That's why Windows comes up with this. So we're going to click on Run It Anyway. It's going to come up with a self-extracting. In my case, I use WinRAR, and it has a destination folder. I'm doing this the long way, so you can see. I'm going to go to my PC, my C drive. I'm going to go down to RMS Express, Global Folders, and Templates, and say OK, and then Extract. That's the folder that it will put the files in for you. I also have a link to two videos. One is the download and install, the other is operation. So I'll close this off. I will bring up a file folder, and I'm in the C drive, RMS Express, Global Folders, Templates. It automatically put it into this folder, and it's an HTML and a .text file. In the operation video, it'll show you how to do it, but I'll just bring up the folder and run the file. So that's what the form looks like. And the operation video will walk you through the whole form. 7.3. Hope you enjoy Sweeper September 2023.